Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my makeup tutorial. I only do simple makeup. I don't even use the right techniques, I think, for the right order. So yeah, let's just watch it. If you like it, maybe you could try it, but it's up to you guys. Let's go! So first of all, I will start with Pore Master Sebum Control Primer. This one. Yeah. Don't know where it's. You just have to. And then next up, I'll use this one, Mamonde. How to focus? Okay. I'll use this one. This is their BB cushion, and yeah, tap tap. Next off, tip concealer. Tip, I cannot get it on focus. From the same. I'll just use it on my eye bags. I've got a really bad eye bags. Look at that. Use it there and place it on the area where it get red easily the most. This is a beauty blender from Misha. Just bought it. So I'll just use this Innisfree eyebrow. Is this focus? This is Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil. I don't know the color, is number 4. Just like. Here you go. My eyebrow. And then next up will be contouring. This is a basic contouring. It's too cool. From art class where I wrote it. It's a basic contouring. Everyone have this. Who doesn't? Yeah, I'll just like pick a random color, the center. I don't know if this is right or not. It's making my cheek looks less puffy. Today I'm just gonna use my hand. It's more comfortable this way. Boing, 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 boing. Just use my hand like original. So people do this. Of course with brush. And I use my own hand, my own finger. So next up is eye makeup. This is a Clio. Oh, sorry. I'm not good at this, so I'm so sorry. Yeah, it So this is Coral Talk from Cleo. We just bought it again. And it's really cute, you see colors. Oh my god. This color is so soft too. Disclaimer, this is the first time I wear this palette, so I don't know if you could see the difference or not. I'm really sorry if you couldn't do. I'll just try with this one. Yeah, having fun make sorry. Yeah. Having fun watching me do makeup. I don't really know what I'm doing actually. This is what I think people do when they do their eye makeup. I don't think so. What am I doing? I'll just shut up and finish my eye makeup. I'll just do the lower eye first. I usually do it like this. Oh, does it focus on me? I don't think so. Does it focus on me? I've got a minus on my eye. I use contact lens, but it's still not that clear. Okay, shuffle a bit. Wait, at least shuffle a bit. Because apparently I couldn't see any changes, I would just use those color over there. Which one will I use next? Maybe the lighter one, because the darker one is just really scary. I should try it. Yeah, in the camera first before I try it in front of the camera. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh. And then how I blend it. Finger. Blend it, blend it, blend it. I just love to blend with my finger on. Yeah. Great. Is it in balance? Is it balanced? What am I doing? I'll do it darker shade with this one. The Sam's blusher. Cool. This is CR CR01. This brush, tap, tap, and apparently my camera died, so I'll just give on to this from what I left behind. I will continue using my lip product. This is Nivea lip balm I just bought. This one, this is Roman lipsticks. I kind of forgot something, sounds like Zero Made, but I forgot. This is the color, I cannot read Korean. This is number 11 anyway. This is really cool. I love this one. One sec. Oh shit. Yeah, here you go. My final look. I even still use my home t-shirt. Yeah, anyway, I don't use any eyeliner or mascara because it's simply I couldn't. I'll practice later on, and maybe when I'm able to do that, I will do another makeup tutorial with those steps. But for now, I'm just too scared to even try. So that was my makeup tutorial. It's pretty messy and pretty chaotic, but I thank you guys for watching it. So don't forget to just subscribe, comment below, and give a like. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!